There are numerous meditation techniques that can lead to enlightenment, but one technique in particular enlightened the Buddha. Before diving into the technique itself, it is important to understand the story of the Buddha. Siddhartha was born as a prince, and it was foretold at the time of his birth that he would either become a great king or renounce his worldly life to lead millions of people to enlightenment. Siddhartha's father, desiring him to become a great king, confined him within the palace. One day, Siddhartha ventured outside and encountered an old man on the verge of death. This encounter had a profound impact on Siddhartha, leading him to question the nature of existence. At the age of 29, he left behind his palace and his kingdom in search of answer to life's fundamental questions, the purpose of living, the meaning of life, and the cycle of birth and death. Despite consulting the great sages of his time, their answers failed to satisfy him. After 6 years of meditation and studying ancient scriptures, Siddhartha resolved to sit beneath a tree and remain there until he found the answers to his inquiries. Finally, on a full moon day, he attained enlightenment and became the Buddha, the enlightened one. The meditation technique that the Buddha used is known as vipassana meditation. Vipassana simply means observing without judgment or perceiving things as they truly are. It involves observing oneself and the surrounding phenomena without passing judgment. During vipassana meditation, one may observe their breath, emotions, and thoughts. By observing the breath, whether it is long or short, without interference, thoughts and emotions can come and go freely, like clouds passing through the sky. Thoughts and feelings should be allowed pass without judgment. By practicing vipassana meditation, one learns to see things as they truly are, without the habitual tendency to judge. This practice enhances the power of observation. The journey of vipassana is a path of self-discovery that allows individuals to experience the truth of ancient teachings. The goal is to purify the mind through non-judgment by refraining from judgment. By refraining from judgment, one can see things as they truly are, unclouded by personal bias. The fundamental principle of vipassana is that all mental impurities arise from ignorance of the true nature of reality. This ignorance is the root cause of all suffering. Vipassana aims to eliminate this ignorance by cultivating insight into the true nature of reality. Non-judgment is crucial in developing this insight, and continuous practice is the key. Benefits of vipassana meditation. Vipassana meditation offers numerous benefits, both physical and mental. Some advantages of practicing vipassana meditation are developing a clear and calm mind. Mindfulness practice can reduce stress and anxiety while improving one's perspective on their current situation. Increasing awareness of the present moment. Vipassana meditation aims to enhance the practitioner's awareness of the present moment. This practice helps individuals become less reactive to their thoughts and emotions, preventing them from getting caught in the never-ending cycle of dwelling on the past and worrying about the future. Reducing negative emotions. The vipassana meditation technique assists in reducing negative emotions such as anger, hatred, and greed. By observing these emotions instead of indulging in them, individuals cultivate diligence, improving judgment. Through cultivating a calm state of mind, vipassana meditation promotes awareness, self-control, and a sense of peace. These improvements enable individuals to make better decisions based on reality rather than pressure or judgment. How to practice vipassana meditation? To practice vipassana meditation, find a quiet place and sit with your legs crossed. Focus on your breath. Use it as an anchor to concentrate better. As thoughts arise, let them come and go without forcing them. Even if the thoughts arise, focus on your breath. They will naturally dissipate, making way for new thoughts. Pay attention to the different sensations in your body and the sounds around you. Track and observe any experience that arise in your body, mind, and life. Through continuous practice, your concentration and focus levels will increase, resulting in fewer thoughts and ultimately leading to a state of thoughtlessness where profound understanding can be attained. So, for the next 7 days, practice mindfulness and observe without judgment. This will improve your life, enriching your body, mind, and soul.